Students, welcome to your English class. Before starting the topic, I shall ask you some questions. First question, how many alphabets are there in English grammar? Yes, there are 26 letters in English grammar. How many letters are vowels? How many letters are vowels? Yes, there are 5 vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. There are 26 letters. There are 26 letters. 26 letters. And how many consonants are there in English letter? In English grammar, how many consonants? 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, 5 vowels. 5 vowels. And 21 consonants. 21 consonants. 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. 21 consonants are B, P, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, T, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 consonants and 5 vowels. 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. The 5 vowels that contains 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Name a word that contains all vowels. Name a word that contains all vowels. A, E, I, O, U. For example, apple. Apple. This word contains only 2 vowels. A and E. Like a word that contains 5 vowels. Yes. Education. Education is the word that contains 5 vowels. Education is the word that contains 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. All 5 vowels include the education word. Now, discuss about 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Where do we use A or N? The topic is use of A or N. A or N. Students, how many articles are there in English grammar? How many articles? Yes, there are 2 articles. There are 2 articles. There are 2 articles in English grammar. 2 articles in English grammar. They are these 2 articles are definite article indefinite article. Indefinite article. Definite article. Definite article. Definite article is the definite article, and indefinite article is a or n. A or n is the indefinite article. Today we shall read about the a or n. Use of a or n. Where do we use a and where do we use n? When the words begin with a vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u, not a vowel letter always, then you should use n. Sometimes a word begins with a vowel letter but a consonant sound, not a vowel sound. Then we should use a before it. Sometimes if a word begins with a consonant letter but a vowel sound, then we should use n before it. When a word begins with a consonant sound, then we should use a before it. So, we should first know about vowels and consonant in English. Out of 26 alphabets, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Now, in shortcut, we can easily remember the rules of a or n. We can easily remember the rules of a or n. Alphabet and letter. Alphabet, letters, then sound, a or n. Where is we use a or n? Alphabet, alphabet with vowel or letters with vowel. Sound is vowel. In this place we use n. Letter vowel, sound vowel, in this place we use n. Letters, consonant, sound consonant. In this place we use a. Letter vowels, sound consonant. In this place we use a. Letter consonant, sound vowel. In this place we use n. Now, for example, alphabet, letter, sound and a or n. Vowel sound. For example, vowel letters, English, book. Vowel sound E. E is the vowel letters and sound is English E. So in this place we use N. The consonant. Next, first vowel letter, vowel sound, we use N. Then consonant letters and consonant sound. Cat. C is the consonant letter and sound is consonant cat. C. So in this place we use A. Next consonant, but sound is our. O. So in this place we use an. H is silent and sound is our. O. Then in this place we use an. Now let us discuss where do we use a or where do we use an. The short form or full form MLA. MLA. Short form, but in full form, member of the Legislative Assembly. Member of the Legislative Assembly. Legislative Assembly. Legislative Assembly. So, member, M is the consonant letter, but in this place sound is A. So, we use consonant letter, but sound is vowel. Vowel. So, in this place we use an MLA. The next, the full form. The full form, member of the Legislative Assembly. In this place, M is the consonant letter, but sound is consonant. Ma. Member. So in this place we use consonant letter and consonant sound. Consonant letter and consonant sound. Consonant sound. So in this place we use A. But MLA in this place, consonant letters, but sound is vowel. Sound, vowel. So in this place we use an. Next, UP school. UP school short form. The full form is upper primary school. Upper primary school. Upper primary school. Before U is the vowel letter. U is the vowel letter. Vowel letter. But sound in this place, sound is U. U is the sound is U. So in this place we use A. Consonant sound. Consonant sound. So in this place we use A. UP school. But the full form upper primary school. Full form upper primary school. Upper. A. So in this place we use, it is the vowel letter. U is the vowel letter and sound is vowel. Vowel sound. So in this place we use an. UP school short form we use A. UP. Then the upper primary school full form and an upper primary school. Next, MA. MA full form Master in Arts. MA short form MA. Then MA Master in Arts. Master in Arts. The full form. So in this case we use MA. M is the consonant letter. Consonant letter. But the sound is MA consonant letter A. So the sound is vowel sound. Vowel sound. Vowel sound. So we use in this place an MA. Des unit. Des European. So in this place, U is the vowel letter. U is the vowel letter. The sound is umbrella. A. Sound is vowel sound. Vowel letter. U is the vowel letter and the sound is vowel sound. A. Vowel sound. So in this place we use sound. In this place we use N. Next, unique. Unique. U is the vowel letter. U is the vowel letter. But the sound is unique. U. U means the U is the consonant sound. Consonant sound. U is the consonant sound. So in this place we use A. Next, unit. U is the vowel letter but sound is consonant. Vowel letter but sound is consonant. U. U is the consonant sound. Consonant sound. So in this place we use A. Next, E is the vowel letter. E is the vowel letter. E is the vowel letter. But the sound is European. U. U is the consonant sound. U is the consonant sound. Consonant sound. So in this place we use E is the vowel letter but the sound is consonant. So in this place we use A. Next we discuss about H. H. Hotel, horse, hour, honest. Now H. H is the consonant letter. H is the consonant letter but the sound is consonant. Hotel, ha. Sound is consonant. So in this place we use both consonant sound and consonant letter. We use A. Hotel. Then horse. H is the consonant. Consonant letter. Consonant letter. Then consonant horse. Ha is the consonant sound. Consonant sound. So in this place we use A. Next, H is the consonant letter. H is the consonant letter but sound is hour. H is silent in this place. O. Hour. A ucharana sati. In this place we use hour. Consonant sound. Consonant letter but sound is vowel sound. Sound is vowel. Sound is vowel. Consonant letter but sound is vowel. So in this place we use N. Hour. Next, H-O-N-E-S-T. H is the consonant letter. Consonant letter. But sound is honest. A. Vowel sound. Vowel sound. So in this place we use honest. Honest is the vowel sound. So in this place we use N. Next, university. 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 V. U is the vowel letter. U is the vowel letter. important. Easily we can remember. अ ठारू औ पर्यंत उच्चारण, अ ठारू औ पर्यंत उच्चारण साउंड आस्थिबो ताहाले सेठी हमें आन यूज करिबा. क ठारू ल पर्यंत उच्चारण साउंड आस्थिले सेठी हमें ए यूज करिबा. Then we first this house, this ice cream, this ice cream, this watch, this island, island, this one-eyed, one-eyed, one-eyed. Next, this ugly man, ugly man. So, firstly, house. H is the consonant letter. Consonant letter. The sound is consonant. Ha. Sound is consonant. Letter is consonant. Sound is consonant. Consonant. So in this place we use. In this place we use house. In this place we use A or N. A. Consonant letter and consonant sound. In this place we use A. Next, ice cream. I is the consonant. I is the vowel letter. I is the vowel letter. Now the sound is ice cream. Sound is A. Ice cream. The sound is vowel sound. Vowel sound. So in this place we use an ice cream. Next, W. W is the consonant letter. Consonant letter. Consonant letter. But the sound is watch. The sound is consonant sound. Consonant sound. Consonant sound. So in this place we use A. Both consonant letter and consonant sound. In this place we use A. Next, island. I-S-L-A-N-D. S is the island. Island, in this place I is the vowel letter. I is the vowel letter. But the sound is island. A is the vowel sound. Vowel sound. So in this place we use both vowel letter and vowel sound is situated in this one. We use an. Next, one-eyed. O is the vowel letter. O is the vowel letter. But the sound is one. One is the wo. Wo is the consonant sound. Wo is the consonant sound. Consonant sound. So in this place we use A. Next, ugly man. U is the vowel letter. U is the vowel letter. Then the sound is ugly. A is the vowel sound. Vowel sound A. Vowel letter and vowel sound. In this place we use an. Always remember, while using A or N, which is more important, the letter or sound? Yes? Which is more important while using A or N? While using A or N, the sound is most important. Next, I will ask some question. When a word starts When a word starts with vowel letter, and vowel sound, we use dash. Question number 2. When a word starts with consonant letter, consonant letter, and vowel sound, consonant letter and vowel sound, we use dash. Question number 3. When a word starts with consonant letter and consonant sound, we use dash. When a word starts with vowel letter and consonant sound, we use dash. Students, I will ask some question. When a word starts with vowel letter and vowel sound, we use dash. Yes, we use. When a word starts with vowel letter, for example, vowel letter and vowel sound. English book. Vowel letter and vowel sound. So before we use A or N. Very good. N English book. Next, when a word starts with consonant letter and vowel sound. For example, consonant letter hour. H is the consonant letter. The sound is A. A means vowel sound. So in this place we use A or N. Consonant letter but vowel sound. In this place we use N. Next, when a word starts with consonant letter and consonant sound. For example, consonant letter and consonant sound. Cat. Consonant letter and sound is consonant. So in this place we use A. Next, when a word starts with vowel letter and consonant sound. Vowel letter European country. E is the vowel letter, but the sound is consonant U. Sound is consonant. In this place we use A. First, vowel letter, vowel sound, we use N. Then consonant letter, vowel sound, we use N. Then consonant letter, consonant sound, we use A. Then vowel letter and consonant sound, we use A. Now, I will ask some questions about put A or N. How many articles are there in English articles. What are they? One is, yes, definite and other is indefinite. Which is definite article? Which is definite article? The is the definite article. And which is indefinite article? Which is indefinite article? A or N is the indefinite article. Then, how many alphabets are there in English grammar? How many alphabets or letters? There are 26 letters. Out of 26 letters, how many vowels? Yes, there are 5 vowels. What are they? 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. How many consonants are there? There are 21 consonants. 21 consonants and 5 vowels there are in English grammar. Next, while using A or N, which is more important? Letter or sound? Which is more important? A or N? While using A or N, which is more important? Letter or sound? Yes, sound is more important. So, vowel letter, vowel sound. Sound is the more important. This is all about A or N. Thank you.